I will divide my homily into two. The first part is a catechism. The second part is reflection. Kay dili gyud ko makatulog karong gabi isip pare kung dili ko makahatag ninyo og catechism about the body and blood of Christ, because I am sure 100% that many of you still do not understand why this. By the way, this is not consecrated. This is bread. Why this is the body of Christ? Now we cannot see literally flesh and blood. Padre, nganong lawas man na ni Kristo? Tanawa ra gud padre, lawas na ni Kristo. Kaniyo? Lawas ni Kristo, nganong man ni padre nga pagkalawat nato, mora man atong makaon, pan, tabang, puti, smooth. Di man ni barbecue. Di man ni unod, literal meat, human meat and blood. So I am sure many of us still do not understand why. So let us begin with catechism. Okay. In philosophy, naigitawag nga substance and accidents. Dili ng aksidente nga disgrasya ha. Kanang accidents, anything na we can perceive with our five senses. Anything about a thing or a person that we can perceive using our five senses. What are our five senses? Sense of sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. So tanan nga magamitan sa five senses, maunay gitawag nga accidents sa usa ka butang or tao. Like this. What are the accidents of this? This is a bread. Using your sense of sight, what do you see? Round, white. If you use your sense of touch, smooth. If you use your sense of taste, tasteless, tabang. Di magamitan sa sense of hearing. So mo na yung accidents. Like ako, what are my accidents? Upaw, brown, lapad og ilong. Kana mo'y akong accidents. Anything nga inyong magamitan sa five senses, bahog ilong, bahog tiil, tanan. Akong tingog, ingon ani. Kanang inyong magamitan sa five senses. Maunay accidents. Pero, on the other hand, substance is what makes a thing a thing. Substance is what makes a person, not the accidents. But unfortunately, dili nato makita ang substance sa usa ka butang or usa ka tawo. What is the substance of this? You cannot see. The substance of this is the breadness of the bread. Ang pagkapan sa pan, which you cannot see. Kita, what is our substance? Nga dili nato makita. Our soul, atong kalag, spirito. That is our substance. That makes us who we are and what we are. Kay kani malata man edi kamatay nato. Madugta man atong lawas. So what makes us who we are and what we are is the substance which you and I cannot see. Pareha pud aning papel, pareha pud aning libro. The bookness of the book, the paperness of the paper, ang pagkapapil sa papel which you cannot see. Nakuha na ninyo? Accidents and substance. Now, kini, when does this become the body of Christ? Unya ha, akong hinayon pag-pray unya, kanang solemne kaayo. Unya during the consecration. When the priest extends his hands and says, that's the moment. That's the moment, the very important moment. Pag ana gid sa pare, aron mahimo kini alang kanamo nga lawas ug dugo ni Kristo. That is the perfect moment. And what do we call that process? Transubstantiation. Transubstantiation. What do we mean by that? Trans is a prefix which means change. Substantiation, therefore, change of substance. Now you know. During the consecration, nganong dili ni mahimong unod, literal flesh, because during the transubstantiation, it is not the accident ang mausab, but the substance which you cannot see. So pag ana des pari unya kanang kada misa, so that this will become for us the body and blood of Christ. Pag ana di ay naay change nga nahitabo pero dili ta kakita. Bisan pag unsaon ninyo unya, ay lag kalimot yun, ay kalimot pagluhod ninyo human sa huli, muluhod man ta, moingon ni na pare, bendisuni kini bla bla bla, so that this will become for us the body and blood of Christ. Actually naay galihok nga change diha, pero di nato makita. So usa man ang change nga di nato makita pag ana gyud, pag consecrate sa pare, ang iyang substance ani, ang pagkapan sa pan nga di nato makita, kumbaga ang kalag nihawa na kabalumukin sa inipuli, the very substance of the body of Christ. Si Kristo mismo. Capital letters na, si Kristo mismo. So ayaw mong ingon na this is the symbol of the body of Christ. Ayaw. This is not a symbol of the body of Christ. But after the consecration, this becomes the real body of Christ. Do you want a biblical basis? Gibasa ganiya. Jesus said, "This is my body." He did not say, "This is the symbol of my body." Diba? During the Last Supper. So mga igsoon, now you know. Now you know. Nganong during communion, inikaon nato walay na usab sa lami, hitsura, because ang accidents nagpabilin. Wala man ay kwenta. Because what makes a thing is the substance man. So, pagkauni mo, munang nuingon ang pare or ang kaabag, the body of Christ, because it is really the body of Christ. Pero diri sa substance. So kani unya mahimo na ni siyang body gyud ni Kristo, lawas gyud ni Kristo, ug ang wine pod mahimo kong blood of Christ. Now, before I proceed to the part 2 of my homily, akong hangyo. Since unya paghuman sa consecration, mahimo naman ning lawas ni Kristo. Bisan pag buak-buak ko nako ni karon akong gibuak akong gipanggisi ni kanang gamay nga nabilin is still the body of Christ 100%. So kanang gamay pag yun dara gamay kay murag mumho kani this is still the body of Christ 100%. So unya sa inyong pagkalawat, paghatag sa pari na amo ginay mabilin mga small particles. Please, ayaw sa ibutang imong kamot, kay basi na ay nabilin diha nga mga small particles, body of Christ kana, tiluka sa. Check your palm later, make it a habit. Check your palm, tiluka. Ayaw pug tilai, murag tag iro ana. Punita pod, punit, hantod wala na mabilin, ibutang ang kamot. Make it a habit. Okay? Sige, let's proceed to the second part. Now you know that unya, the ordinary bread and wine becomes the body and blood of Christ. Let's talk about our attitude. Pasaylo ako, narabay naminaw sa gawas karon kay di nakasulod dire. Mga naas gawas, dako kayong tentasyon ninyo diha nga dili makafocus sa misa. Bisan diri gani sulod nga naa na mo sulod, di gani ka focus ang uban. So let's talk about attitude. Now we know that kana di ang atong gikalawat is the body of Christ, and that is the reason why nisimba ta, why we are here. Number one question, do you still have the excitement? Sige daw, mo review daw tabi. Do we still have the excitement every time we line up for communion? Kana bang anticipation ba nga, hala, hapit na ko, hala, ako na isunod. Lord, I am excited to receive you. Naapa ba na? Or nilinya-linya na lang ta? Nga walay feeling, walay pagbati, basta lang nakalinya. You know what? Before I was assigned in the seminary, I was assigned at St. Vincent's College as school chaplain. O kanang mag-first communion media sa elementary, sa annex, matandog ko sa mga bata. Because for the very first time, ilang makaon ang lawas ni Kristo. And makita nako sa ilang mga mata how excited they were. Excited kay sila sa ilang paglinya. Mga igsuon, can we go back to our first communion? Nga sa atong paglinya, as if we receive the body of Christ for the first time, munang excited ta. Pwede ba na? Okay, number 2 question. How about the sense of guilt and unworthiness? Do we still have that every time we line up for communion? Naaba na ka ng guilt and unworthiness? Kana bang galinya ka, niingon ka ba nga, Lord, I am not supposed to receive you because hugaw akong bakba, Lord. Bad words mugawas ani akong bakba, Lord. And the whole of my being, Lord, is not worthy to receive you because I am a hard-headed sinner. Lord, I am not worthy to receive you. Di yun unta ko angay mulinya aron mo kalawat nimo because who are you, Lord? You are God. You are perfect and I am imperfect. I am a sinner. Di yun takot-takos, Lord. Pero nga nung nilinya ko, because I badly need you, because without you, I am nothing. Because of you, without you, Lord, I cannot persevere in life. Munang bahalag, dili ko worthy, linya ko, Lord, mukalawat ko, because I badly need you. Ang igsoon, mangutana ko, do we still have that? Do we still have that? Naapabataan na nga kanang guilt and unworthiness or naglinya-linya na lang tadiha sabay sa uso? Sige daw, palihog daw ko ani. Naglinya-linya ra ba ta diha? You know what? Naikanta, kisay mga swito diri, mga batanon. Kanang gakanta sa Lord patawad. Katoliko man na siya. Nailiryks diri akong basahon. Ako'y nagsisimba kapag gusto ko lang. Pag may bagong damit na ipagyayabang. Pag may jowa akong makakalampungan. Kapag may bebot na ang gaganda, pag may baklitang nakakatawa, ako'y nagsisimba kapag gusto ko lang. Ingon ana ba ta? Kanang kusog kay mamantay. Munang ang uban, moingon, Padre, sa atubangan ko mulingkod, Dre, kay aron di ko makasala. Ay, kung sig pamantay nga kutob sa nimo labay, hala hatod yun. Hala hatod yun. Muna na yung trabaho diri, mahuman na lang ng misa la, pangita di ako sa bikil. Then ang uban magtabi, mag-text. Munang niingon ko ganiha kanang naas gawas karon nga nagsimba ron, Dako kay tentasyon nga di gid mo ka focus sa misa kay magtabi ra man mo dias gawas. Di ba? Aminin. Nay kanay katabi nagway di aros gawas, wala na naminaw sa wali. Di ba? Let me grab this opportunity to remind you, palihog sa mga manimbahay, please dress appropriately. Kanang dili ka makakos og iskandal sa mga nagtan-aw nimo. Nga tungod sa imong sexy kaayo nga gisuot diha, mayawaan na nang gatan-aw nimo. Makasala na. So palihog, men and women who are here, suot pud mo appropriate nga pangsimba, dili nang revealing outfits. So, let me end by sharing with you my experience sa Egypt. When I was in Egypt, didto mi sa airport. And many of the workers in the airport are Muslims, no? Brothers and sisters nato nga Muslims. I was so moved because ang nakatandog kay wherever they are, it was Ramadan. It was Ramadan. Natunong nga Ramadan ni pag-adto na mo Egypt. Natandog kay ko, kay bisan security guard, kanang janitor, pag-abot sa ilang prayer time, wherever they are, when it was time for them to pray, they never hesitated to lay down their carpets, kneel down, and pray sincerely. No hypocrisy, dili plastic, just pure love, because that is how they love and respect God. Wa gid sila'y pake, bisag naa tunga-tunga sa airport, buklad sa ilang carpet, luhod ampo from the bottom of their hearts. Dili pasikat, not to please everyone, because our brothers and sisters nga mga Muslim, when they pray sincerely. They pray sincerely. Walay plastic-plastic nga pasikat, walay binuang, walay text-text, walay tabi, wala tanan. Respeto nila sa Dios is 100%. Sana all Catholics ingon ana ta. Please